Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi, friends! Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig watching a movie at Penny Polar Bear's house. Let's get started. First, I'll draw Penny Polar Bear. I'll start with her two eyes. She's wearing glasses like these. Next, I'll draw her face with two small ears on top of her head and a big, happy smile. Oh, we can't watch a movie without popcorn. Let's draw Penny's bowl of popcorn together. See, she's holding it like this. In her other hand, she's pressing the remote control just like this. Now, I'll draw her body and her legs. She's sitting comfortably on the sofa. Next to her, I'll draw Peppa Pig. Let's start with her nose, then her two little ears, and her cute eyes. I'll add her happy, smiling mouth. She looks so excited. Right here, I'll draw Peppa's bowl of popcorn, just like Penny's. Then, I'll draw her body and legs. Now, let's add the sofa where they're sitting. Over here, I'll draw a movie projector. What's a movie night without one? To make the drawing clearer, I'll use this black marker to outline everything. Now it's time to color. I'll start with the movie projector and use charcoal gray for this part. Then, I'll add purple for the details. For Penny's ears and cheeks, I'll use light pink. Her dress will be dark blue. And the remote control will be gray with colorful buttons. Her bowl will be orange, and I'll use yellow to color the popcorn. Next, let's color Peppa. I'll use light pink for her skin. and pink for her nose and cheeks. For her lips, I'll use dark pink. Peppa's bowl will be dark blue. And her dress will be bright red. For the backrest pillow, I'll use green, and for another pillow, I'll use yellow. And that's it, our drawing is almost done. Doesn't it look amazing? Great job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.